Hey everyone, Iman here, and welcome back to the channel for another deep dive.
If you are looking for practical AI tools that actually save you time, hit that like button and subscribe so you do not miss the next one. Today, I'm walking you through a tool that has been a total game changer for me when it comes to repurposing long videos, Vizard. There are no clickbaity promises here, just a practical walkthrough of how I use it to turn long-form footage into ready-to-post clips without the headache. It might sound wild, but you really do not need a full editing suite, a big production team, or those endless late-night trimming sessions anymore. What I am about to show you is how this platform can take a single long recording and automatically pull out the best bits. It finds the punchlines, the emotional reactions, and the wow moments to turn them into short vertical or horizontal clips you can post anywhere. Plus, it can even schedule them for you and organize everything in one convenient calendar. I use this for my YouTube shorts, TikToks, and cross-posts without having to sweat the technical details. Quick note before we jump in, having your account logged into the browser makes things move much smoother. Okay, let us get started with the dashboard. You might see a terms or policy prompt when you first enter, so just accept that and continue. The interface is very clean and keeps improving, so things might look slightly different over time, but the workflow remains the same. First, you will upload your long video, set a few simple preferences, and let the artificial intelligence do the heavy lifting for you. If you look at the top right, you have got your profile, account switcher, and basic settings, including dark mode if you are editing late at night. Down the left side is your main menu, and for what we are doing today, just click on the area that handles the long to short conversion. This is where you feed the platform your long video. Instead of writing a complex prompt, you just upload the raw long-form file or link your cloud storage directly. Once the file is in, the platform asks a few smart questions, so the AI knows exactly what to look for in your footage. Think of these settings like the run settings on other professional tools, as they help tailor the final output to your specific needs. Let us walk through these options because those little toggles make a massive difference in the quality of the clips. First up is the edit style. Choose viral clips if your primary goal is creating snackable, attention-grabbing moments. Narrative cuts work best if you want a coherent mini-story from a long interview or discussion. Highlights are perfect for events or long streams where you just need the absolute best moments. Next is the number of versions, which lets the AI generate 1 or 2 alternate editing takes for you. I usually pick 2 when I'm experimenting, because it is nice to have a backup that might hit a slightly different tone. Now let us talk about the aspect ratio. You can pick 16:9 for YouTube uploads, or 9:16 for Reels, TikToks, and Shorts. The platform makes it easy to output both formats from the same source if you want to cross-post. Next is the clip length duration. Here you tell the software the target length for each clip, whether that is 15, 30, or 45 seconds. The auto detection tries to respect natural cut points, so a clip will usually start right before a punchline or a reaction and end right after. If you want more context, just pick a longer clip length in the settings. Frame rate and quality are generally handled automatically to keep visuals smooth and export ready. For most creators, the defaults are perfect and save you the headache of messing with complex format settings. One of my favorite features is the exclusion list, which is basically a negative prompt for editing. Want to avoid clips with profanity, brand logos, or long pauses? Just tell the editor to skip swearing, ads, or logos, and it will avoid those sections entirely. This is huge when repurposing raw footage that has product placements or off-brand content. After you set these, hit the generate button and the platform queues the job to analyze the footage. This used to feel like magic to me the first few times I tried it. It scans for audio peaks, facial expressions, scene changes, and even engagement signals if you have uploaded audience reactions. In a few moments, you will see the generated clips show up in the preview panel. Let me show you 3 quick examples so you see the range of what this tool can do. Example 1 is a high-energy test drive video. I chose viral clips, 16:9 for YouTube, and requested 30-second clips with 2 versions. The result pulled out multiple cinematic clips, including a close-up of the dash and the moment the car hit a corner with good suspension. Example 2 is a raw stand-up comedy set. I picked narrative cuts to preserve the setup and punchline context, and I set the exclusion list to skip heckling. The AI identified the laugh peaks and isolated the best jokes into short vertical cuts. Example 3 is an educational segment about marine life. I used the educational mode with shorter clip lengths and safe content filters to focus on bright visuals and friendly phrases. It created a series of bite-sized clips that felt like professional mini-episodes. Across all 3 examples, saving and organizing the content was completely effortless. The platform also tracks history, so you can see every original upload, generated clips, and the versions you exported. You can even restore older edits or rerun the editor with new settings if you change your mind. Beyond editing, the auto schedule and content calendar are what turn this into a full content operations tool. Once you have approved your clips, you can set a posting frequency, and the platform handles the rest. The calendar view even lets you drag and drop, edit captions, and tweak thumbnails before a post goes live. That is a huge time saver if you manage multiple channels or run a content brand. Now let us be honest. There are other tools out there, and some are great for certain jobs. Adobe Premiere gives you total control, but requires real editing skill and time. Descript is excellent for transcript-based editing, but the scheduling and cross-post workflow is not as robust. The platform stands out because it combines smart clip extraction with publishing workflows. That scheduling feature is a real workflow multiplier for creators who want to grow without hiring a full team. I should call out a few limitations so it stays realistic for you. Very long multi-camera projects or highly cinematic color grades might still need a professional editor. Also, like any AI, it sometimes misses a subtle contextual cue, so a quick human review before posting is always recommended. If you found this walkthrough useful, please smash that like button. Share this with a creator friend who is drowning in raw footage because they will thank you. And if you want more deep dives into how I schedule clips or write captions, tell me in the comments. Bottom line, this tool will not replace your creative strategy, but it removes the boring, repetitive parts of editing. It is the kind of tool that changes the game for a solo creator or small team trying to publish consistently. All right, that is it from me for today. Follow the channel and turn on notifications so you do not miss future breakdowns. Keep creating and make your content work smarter, not harder.